AutoCool is keeping pace with the future of electromobility technologies. We are proud to present our state-of-the-art e-mobility. 100% electric, AC3500e Air Conditioning System. These advanced systems provides the highest quality air conditioning to the passengers' compartments, and it fits the world's top electrical commercial vehicles brands and models. The system has multiple benefits: low energy consumption, high coefficient of performance efficiency, no noise and vibration, easy installation, monoblock design, lightweight. AutoCool also offers a power pack option for long system operation. Many companies have already made their choice.